So here's how you can use the preview app on your iPhone, and let me talk about it. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. And so the preview app has just appeared out of nowhere, basically after updating to the latest iOS. It was not the case before, but right now we do have it. And similar to Mac, they kind of like wanted to bring it over to the iPhone, and a spoiler alert, I'm not a big fan of that, but let me show you exactly how it could work. So basically you open up the app and you are greeted with this preview thing, right? So it's going to show you the last like files which are recent from your files app, but you can start a new document or scan a documents, so the scanning of documents is right here. That's like a new thing. It's using the camera and everything, but you also can start a new document and you can literally just start like a new empty thing and just paste something or draw with your finger and kind of like set up or end up with a brand new thing, brand new document, right? Personally, I have never used that. And the only way which I really get into contact with the app is whenever I go to the Files app and open up some sort of PDF. When I click on it, you can see that it just goes straight to the preview app, which, as I said, I'm not a big fan of that because I like the way that it worked before, where I always stayed within the Files app, right? Because, if you still want to replicate it, that functionality, you can like go to the files, hold down on it, and click on it, the quick look. And this is how it used to look before, right? So you can see I'm still within the Files app. It hasn't moved me away anywhere. So that is how it worked before. And right now when you click it, it just moves you over to the preview app. And sometimes it's nice because within the app, we have some more additional options. Like we have this nice thing at the bottom, which lets you add a signature or, fill out the form if it's some sort of like document which needs filling out. And you also have more things that you can crop it and things like that, right? So let me know what you think about the app below in the comments. Basically, it's just that there aren't that many things which you could use this app for other than like opening files through it, which could be opened into the Files app normally even before. But yeah, that's basically the deal with the app. Let me know what you think. Again, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.